Hey there all viewers. Welcome back to another Healthy Lifestyle Supports Channel's video. Did you know lemon? How much do you know about its health benefits? Well, lemons are a popular fruit that people use in small quantities to add flavor to food. However, they rarely consume them alone due to their intense sour taste. Really? Actually, lemons give flavor to baked goods, sauces, salad dressings, marinades, drinks, and desserts, and they are also a good source of vitamin C, and many more. Here are the 7 evidence-based health benefits of lemons. Number 1. Nutrition facts. 1 lemon weighing 58 grams contains energy, 16.8 calories, carbohydrates, 5.41 grams, equal 2% of the daily value. Sugar, 1.45 grams, equal 3% of the daily value. Dietary fiber, 1.6 grams, 6% of the daily value. Fat, 0.17 grams. Protein, 0.64 grams, 1% of the daily value. Vitamin B1, thiamine, 0.023 milligrams, equal 2% of the daily value. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, 0.012 milligrams, less than 2% of the daily value. Choline, 3.0 milligrams, less than 2% of the daily value. Vitamin A, 0.6 micrograms. Lutein plus zeaxanthin, 6.4 micrograms. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, 0.11 milligram, equal 2% of the daily value. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, 0.046 milligrams, equal 3% of the daily value. Vitamin B9, folate, 6 micrograms, equal 2% of the daily value. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, 30.7 milligrams, equal 34% of the daily value. Minerals like water is 51.61 grams. Calcium, 15.1 milligrams, less than 2% of the daily value. Iron, 0.35 milligrams, equal 2% of the daily value. Magnesium, 4.6 milligrams, less than 2% of the daily value. Phosphorus, 9.3 milligrams, less than 2% of the daily value. Potassium, 80 milligrams, less than 2% of the daily value. Selenium, 0.2 micrograms, less than 2% of the daily value. Current dietary guidelines recommend an intake of 75 milligrams of vitamin C per day for women aged 19 years and older, and 90 milligrams per day for men. Smokers need 35 grams per day more than non-smokers. Number 2. Improve heart health. 1 lemon provides about 31 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 51% of the reference daily intake. Research shows that eating fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C reduces your risk of heart disease and stroke. However, it's not only the vitamin C that is thought to be good for your heart. The fiber and plant compounds in lemons could also significantly lower some risk factors for heart disease. For instance, one study revealed that eating 24 grams of citrus fiber extract daily for a month reduced total blood cholesterol levels. Plant compounds found in lemons, namely hesperidin and diosmin, have also been found to lower cholesterol. Number 3. Help control weight. Lemons are often promoted as a weight loss food, and there are a few theories as to why this is. One common theory is that the soluble pectin fiber in them expands in your stomach, helping you feel full for longer. That said, not many people eat lemons whole. And because lemon juice contains no pectin, lemon juice drinks will not promote fullness in the same way. Another theory suggests that drinking hot water with lemon will help you lose weight. However, drinking water is known to temporarily increase the number of calories you burn, so it may be the water itself that is helping with weight loss, not the lemon. Other theories suggest that the plant compounds in lemons may aid weight loss. Research shows that plant compounds in lemon extracts may help prevent or reduce weight gain in a number of ways. Number 4. Prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are small lumps that form when waste products crystallize and build up in your kidneys. They are quite common, and people who get them often get them repeatedly. Citric acid may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume, and increasing urine potential hydrogen, pH, creating a less favorable environment for kidney stone formation. Just a half of cup, equal 4 ounces or 125 milliliters, of lemon juice per day, may provide enough citric acid to help prevent stone formation in people who have already had them. Some studies also found that lemonade effectively prevented kidney stones, but the results have been mixed. Other studies have shown no effect. Therefore, more well-conducted studies need to examine whether lemon juice affects kidney stone formation. Number 5. Protect against anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is quite common. It occurs when you don't get enough iron from the foods you eat. Lemons contain some iron, but they primarily prevent anemia by improving your absorption of iron from plant foods. Your gut absorbs iron from meat, chicken, and fish, known as heme iron, very easily, while iron from plant sources, non-heme iron, not as easily. However, this absorption can be improved by consuming vitamin C and citric acid. Because lemons contain both vitamin C and citric acid, they may protect against anemia by ensuring that you absorb as much iron as possible from your diet. Number 6. Reduce cancer risk. A healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables may help prevent some cancers. Some observational studies have found that people who eat the most citrus fruit have a lower risk of cancer, while other studies have found no effects. In test tube studies, many compounds from lemons have killed cancer cells. However, they may not have the same effect on the human body. Some researchers think that plant compounds found in lemons such as limonene and naringenin could have anti-cancer effects, but this hypothesis needs further investigation. Another study used pulp from mandarins that contained the plant compounds beta-cryptoxanthin and hesperidin, which are also found in lemons. The study discovered that these compounds prevented malignant tumors from developing in the tongues, lungs, and colons of rodents. However, it should be noted that the research team used a very high dose of the chemicals, far more than you would get by eating lemons or oranges. While some plant compounds from lemons and other citrus fruits may have anti-cancer potential, no quality evidence suggests that lemons can fight cancer in humans. Number 7. Improve digestive health. Lemons are made up of about 10% carbs, mostly in the form of soluble fiber and simple sugars. The main fiber in lemons is pectin, a form of soluble fiber linked to multiple health benefits. Soluble fiber can improve gut health and slow the digestion of sugars and starches. These effects may result in reduced blood sugar levels. However, to get the benefits of fiber from lemons, you need to eat the pulp. People who drink lemon juice without the fiber found in the pulp will miss out on the benefits of the fiber. Summary: lemons contain a high amount of vitamin C, soluble fiber, and plant compounds that give them a number of health benefits. Lemons may aid weight loss and reduce your risk of heart disease, anemia, kidney stones, digestive issues, and cancer. Not only are lemons a very healthy fruit, but they also have a distinct pleasant taste and smell that make them a great addition to foods and drinks. Well, that's all now. Rely on your personal experience with consuming all types of lemons. Please share in the comment below. Please hit like and subscribe this channel in order to ensure that you won't miss any videos. Thanks for watching this video from the beginning till end. Please stay safe together.